Hi guys, it's Josie with Scotlery Marketing, and today I'm going to show you how to create a listing landing page. We're going to go to agent.kw.com, log in with your username and password, and click on Sign In. Now, I already have my MLS ID number and my address, but if you don't have that, you might want to come over to Listings and do your search. Once you have that information handy, we're just going to come over to the Consumer Applet on the bottom left-hand corner. It'll take us first to Agent Site Pages, which is our main website right here. For today's purposes, we're going to go to Landing Pages. We're going to click on Create New Page in the top right corner. Again, it's going to say, do you want it on your main site or as a landing page? Today we'll select as a landing page and Create Page. Once we're here, the first thing we always do is rename the page. So I'm going to rename this with the address of my listing. Perfect. Now we've got our widgets on the right-hand side, so we're going to start with the branded header. So you can see I'm hovering over it. It's highlighted in the teal color, so I'm going to click on it, drag it over, and drop it. Next, I'm going to grab my listing widget right here in the middle. Just click on it, drag it over, and drop it. We're going to scroll down. You have kind of a live update on the left-hand side. This is the default listing that KWRI has in there. I'm just going to click on this little X to get rid of it. Next, I want to do a lead form so that when I share my landing page, people will be prompted to enter their information. And then I'm going to end with my legal footer right here under branded header. Now you can see the green line right there. Hopefully you can see that. It'll show you, do you want it on top of this widget or below this widget? So if you can see that green line, you're just going to drop it down below. Next, we're just going to click on Configure Widgets in the bottom right-hand corner, and we're going to start with the first widget, which is our branded header. Now, right here, you can put your address for the header text if you would like. You have 30 characters to work with. So we're going to go ahead and put our address in here, 2379 Diamond H Lane. We're going to keep our headshot as is. This is pulling directly from the marketing profile, which we've already filled out. Looks like the phone number's needing to be added again. We'll click on Save and Apply. And there we have our live update. Now, right up here in the top right-hand corner, it says we're on 1 of 4. So now we're going to click on the right arrow and go to 2 of 4. And now it says no listing selected, so we will browse our listings. We always recommend searching by instead of property address. Click on that little button and click on MLS number. And we'll put our MLS number right here. Let's see, 2149883. Go ahead and click on search, and you'll just want to double check the picture, make sure that's your listing, and check the list date. So we'll click on select. That is indeed our listing. It automatically pulls the information directly from the MLS, so we can change this to a different picture if we would like, or we can do a custom image. We're just going to keep it as is. Scroll down and click on Save and Apply. And give that a moment to populate. So that was widget 2 of 4, and now we're going to click on the right arrow again, go to widget 3 of 4, and we can just keep it as is, or we can say, want to learn more. Anything you want goes there about this property. And then save and apply. And then we'll click on 4 of 4 by clicking on the right arrow one more time. And again, this just pulls your information directly from the marketing profile. So we are good to go. We're going to go ahead and click on Publish Page in the top right-hand corner. We're going to say, yes, update it. Now it's going to take us back to our agent site pages. So our landing page is hiding right over here. There is our landing page. We're going to go ahead and rename that by clicking on the three dots in the right-hand corner and select Change URL. This will just make it easier for our clients to read. So we're just going to add 2379 Diamond H Lane, and it looks a little bit better than the random letters and numbers right there. So we'll go ahead and take a look at our finished landing page. And this is exactly what your consumers will see when you send them this link. So we've got a slideshow. All the details are pulling directly from the MLS. We've got our map. We can drag our guy over here and see exactly what we're looking at. Oh, we landed on the Flight Museum. All right, perfect. And then want to learn more about this property. So we would enter our information here, say I'm not a robot. And once your clients enter that in, they will be added to your command database automatically. You can also create a QR code, and I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. We're going to go to qr-code-generator.com. We're going to copy this page by going to the address bar and clicking on Control-C. You can also hit the copy button. And then we're going to go Control-V right here. Give that a moment to populate. And then go ahead and click on download, and it'll give you a QR code, which you can then add to open house flyers. You can use that for Facebook marketing. You can do an email campaign. It's limitless what you can do with that. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, support@scotlandroymarketing.com.